Let's start. Hi guys, welcome back to another vlog. I hope you are doing really well. So today I'll take Greta to like one of the most fancy places in Gurgaon. She'll be like, wow. I'll show you India's most expensive flats. 100 crore rupees. Which is like how many million euros?
I'm really bad with converting money. I have no idea. You know?
So it's like DLF Camellias. 100 crore flats. So
Okay. Okay, I don't think I've been there, right?
I don't think so. Yeah. Then we'll go to eat some like really fancy food.
Okay, I'm excited. Is it like local food?
No local, like kind of fancy. Okay, local we tried like day before yesterday dosa, but today we'll have fancy food,
Okay, I'm
avocado, something, mashed potatoes.
Okay, I'm
Are
gonna.
you excited?
Yes.
But your outfit looks cool.
Thanks. I don't know. I'm trying to get used to what to wear in Delhi. Every city has a different fashion, so.
This is Delhi fashion, huh?
Yes.
Okay, guys, let's go. Let's go. No. How's my t-shirt looking, Greta?
Interesting. I love the design here.
Guess where I got it from.
I don't know.
I got it from Bombay.
Oh,
Bombay.
nice. Nice. Yeah. It's a good place to shop.
Right? Good place to shop, good place to meet people like you.
Yeah, I mean, it's an international city.
Yeah.
Quite international.
Glasses suits me or not?
Vibe.
If you, these, pick one. Fast.
It depends on what you want to be.
Like if I had to pick me without glasses, Utkarsh without glasses, or with glasses.
Both is fine.
Both fine.
Yeah, this is also okay.
Okay. Let's go, guys. So, guys, now we are very close to one of the most expensive apartments in India. Greta, you have to guess, like, how can they be so expensive? Then I'll tell you the reason. Okay? Are you seeing those apartments behind this building? Huh?
Yeah.
Yeah, just.
There are many buildings.
Yeah, I'll show you. It. So, yeah. Most of the startup founders in India, like, eventually when, like, future me will also buy a flat there, you know?
Got it.
Yeah.
So, can you go inside? I want to look inside.
Inside it's really tough to go because that's the only apartment I can't take you inside because like you have to have some.
So, how do you have an idea of how it looks like?
From outside you can judge, right?
Okay.
These are of 70 cr.
Mm-hmm.
These are okayish, but those ones I'll show you.
Alright,
And, yeah. So guys, in 100 cr in Germany, you can buy a fucking like palace or something, right?
I don't know how much 100 CR are in euros. Million? 1 million? No. How many million euros? 7 million?
10 million euros.
I mean, yeah, you can buy but I don't know in which city. I think if you can buy a Berlin apartment as well for this. Like,
Yeah. Really? Which is the most
sure.
expensive city in Germany? Berlin, right?
Munich, if you get it in Munich apartment. Like, what is this kind of luxury price? Yeah.
It's like like 10,000 square feet or something. Goal facing view. Gurgaon pollution, Gurgaon traffic.
Okay, no, average.
Yeah.
They just have an average price.
Huh.
For an average home,
Hmm.
it's 2.3 million. Just an average buying a house.
2.3 million मतलब 23 करोड़ के आसपास एवरेज प्राइस है भाई वहाँ पे.
The range is between 500,000 USD and 32 million.
Okay.
Yeah. Munich. So it's quite wide range, you know. It depends on the area.
But you
also.
guys are earning in euros. We guys are earning in Indian rupees. So for us, it's super expensive, you know.
Of course, I can imagine.
Yeah, like 10 million euros for a single apartment. It's really. So this is the apartment. Wait. These white apartments you're seeing. It's the most expensive apartment in India. DLF
Really?
Camellias. Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah. See, look at them. Is there any something special you can see in them?
Actually, no.
No, right? That's it. The only thing is, after this apartment, there's Aravali. So there's no green. Like there's everything green after this apartment. So there's no building.
And they keep it like this. And that's why the price is so high because of the area.
Because of the area. So, yeah. And now I'm taking you to one of the most expensive commercial real estate in India. The offices here pay the most amount of rent compared to any other part in India.
Okay, I'm
Yeah.
curious. I want to see.
Yeah. So when we'll open
I've
up,
heard the offices here are quite nice in Gurgaon in general,
yeah,
right?
now
Many
it's,
good, nice
yeah,
ones.
you'll feel like you're in Dubai or somewhere. It's mini Dubai of Gurgaon. So you're very lucky. I brought you here because very few people are able to come here.
Why?
Huh?
Why?
Because they don't want to come to Gurgaon, right? That's why.
Wow. What a promotion for Gurgaon.
Yeah.
I mean, well, I've been around in Gurgaon a bit as I lived here. Maybe you want to.
Yeah. So at that time when you used to stay here, I think so this place was not so full-fledged working. Now it's working, right?
Okay, let me see. Let me see.
So yes, guys, now we are in One Horizon. She'll be stunned after going on the top because the view from the top is like just like my name. Ooh.
Exactly. Bilkul, bilkul.
यार गेटा you should talk to me in Hindi only, not English. जितनी भी आती है जैसी भी आती है.
Speak German to me then.
Guten Tag, guten Morgen.
Speak only Hindi, you only speak German.
Oh,
What a
then
challenge.
we won't be able to
Challenge.
talk. She's like, you should only speak in German and I should only speak in Hindi. So we can't converse then. So yeah. Guten Tag. I will be saying that. Guten Tag, guten Tag,
And
guten
you
Tag.
can't say anything with that. Learn at least like ja is yes.
How would I say like we are in Gurgaon in German?
Wir sind in Gurgaon.
We are in Gurgaon. Oh,
Correct.
nice.
Easy.
Easy. Okay. हम गुड़गांव में हैं.
हम गुड़गांव में हैं.
Oh.
हाँ बिल्कुल.
Are you finding can you see any parking space here?
This?
Yeah. She knows. This means yeah. Very good. Greta, sometimes I feel so proud of you because of me. Your Hindi is so nice.
Sure.
Yeah, I used to think Bombay is good and Gurgaon is bad. See the area. See 100 CR flats behind you. Those are the flats.
Okay.
Yeah.
I mean, I'm sure I've been around, but I never been explained about the city.
Okay, I'll explain. You come, follow me. So this land was owned by my grandfather when he was younger. so he sold it. Then he lived his entire life. He was in Bali. Then he was in Germany. He was having fun. My great grandfather.
Great.
So there was nothing left for my father.
Right.
So that's why I'm doing vlogging and stuff.
You know, this is how life plays. You know, one day you have something, next day you don't have, right? Like, make sure you.
No, really, I'll tell you. Literally, I'm telling you, our ancestors had so much of land, but they donated it. That's what my father said to me. And every father says this to their kid. so that their kid.
I'm also, you know what? I also still have the hopes that my parents just teased me, and one day when I turn 30 or something, they will say, "We were just fooling you. We are actually millionaires. We just wanted to prepare you for life." So we all have dreams, you know.
भाई ऐसा हो जाए मजा नहीं आ जाए. अब मैं पापा से बोलूँ पापा यार बहुत तंगी चल रही है बेटा बस तेरे को संघर्ष दिखाना था हमें ले बेटे
Yeah.
10 किल्ले का मालिक है तू. So yeah, they might surprise you in near future.
I hope so.
You don't need to work, just chill. Go to Greece, go to Amsterdam.
One day, guys. One day.
So guys, yeah, in North India, these are the most expensive buildings you can buy. Most expensive real estate. Oh, this gate is closed, I think so. Wait.
Wow. It's cold also. ठंडा है.
ठंडा है ना?
हाँ, गुड़गांव ठंडा है.
Because you are wearing short clothes, that's why you should have worn a jacket.
I don't have jackets.
Huh?
I have barely jackets. I'm not much in cold weather.
Yeah, that's why you're feeling cold. Guys, we went to a party last night. She was like, "Oh, it's so hot," and then in the party she was like, "Give me a jacket, give me a jacket," and literally she shouted it.
I was like, I'm going home. I'm going home.
She was like, "Go, I'm going home. Bring me the jacket." I was like, "Okay, I'll go." So yes, guys, now I'm taking her to Paul's, which is a really like good place to eat. It's a restaurant which was started by like.
Where are we going?
Come here. There's a way from inside, I guess. Oh, it's closed. We have to go from some other place.
Oh my goodness.
Oh my goodness.
We don't know the way. अरे यार. ठंडा है.
ठंडा है. Come. So yes, guys, इसको हिंदी सिखा रखी है पूरी. ठंडा है कह रही है. Say, Greta say. अगर कोई मुझसे फालतू बोला.
That's so long. What? आग.
Just say भूत बना दूंगी.
भूत बना को नहीं.
भूत बना दूंगी.
भूत बना को नहीं.
भूत बना दूंगी.
भूत बना को नहीं.
भूत बना देगी भाई. कोई सा फालतू बोल गया ना. If somebody speaks in like band language to her, she'll fuck her. Oi, where are you? I was looking for you.
I was running away.
Come, come, come. So yes, guys, my future aim is to buy my parents a really nice flat here. Let's see. भैया एंट्री कहाँ से है? I mean, where the fuck should I really even start?
Yeah?
I mean, you know, baby song from Justin Bieber. Baby, baby, oh, thought you always be mine.
Oh, baby.
Come. Yeah. Guys, now we'll show you how model pose. Like, we have to pose in like 2 seconds.
Are we doing this?
Yeah, we are seriously doing this. Oh, she is kind of pretty, huh?
What's the magic?
There's a magic.
What is the magic?
Just tap the black thing and the gate will open. Go.
What do you mean?
No. Below. Put your hand there. Yeah. Go. चमत्कार भाई. जादू ही कहते जादू ही. Gita, when I'll get rich, I'll buy you this painting. You know, it's fucking expensive.
Thank you.
Yeah.
Appreciate it. I hope you get rich soon.
I
So
hope
you
I
can-
get.
Rich soon.
If you're with me, I'll get views. If you're with me, I'll get views. Then I'll get rich soon.
What?
If you're with me, we'll get views. Then we'll get subscribers. Then we'll be famous.
Wow,
and rich.
wow.
भाई आज तो कोई वीकेंड भी नहीं है आज. I don't know why this is so crowded, भाई. So yeah, we are going to that place. You're seeing poles.
Which place?
Yeah, that's straight.
Ah.
So yeah, my great grandfather used to own poles, but then he sold it to someone.
Damn. Did you also own Whiskey Samba?
Yeah, whiskey samba also. My nana ji used to. have it, yeah.
She was like a whiskey lover, right?
Yeah.
So she was like, let's do a Whiskey Samba.
Yeah. You know Marlboro. My great grandfather invented Marlboro, the cigarette company.
Wow.
Yeah, but then he sold it.
Makes sense. I mean, you make decisions in life, right? I told you.
So guys, yeah, this is Paul's. How's the menu here, Gita?
Interesting. It's a nice mix from international cuisines. I'm liking it. I think, they have a French onion soup in the bread. Have you ever had a soup in the bread?
Oh, where is it? Oh, this. Bhai Saab. You wanna have this? We can try. But I'll have a salad, I guess. Today I'm feeling a little heavy, guys. सुबह पेट साफ नहीं होता, guys. क्या करें, guys?
You can have the mushroom salad, the mushroom one in this. Ooh. I love it. I'm so hungry. I'm so excited.
तो भाई start hosting your friends in a nice way. ठीक है. बजट ढीला होगा, थोड़ी जेब खाली होगी, तुम्हें लगेगा यार खर्चा हो गया भाई बहुत ज़्यादा. बट कोई नहीं भाई, भगवान देखता है, कहीं ना कहीं से पैसे निकल जाएंगे. समझ रहे हो कितनी क्यूट लड़की बैठी है आगे, देखना. मतलब दोस्त है मेरी, कुछ गलत नहीं है, बट अच्छा लगता है यार. देखो अब हंसेगी, देखो. उसको सुना ही नहीं दिया मैंने बोला हंसेगी, बट उसका नेचर ही ऐसा है. शी कीप्स ऑन लाफिंग. और साइड में दो. What are the nationalities of the girls which are sitting next to us? Just a guess.
American.
American. I think they are Russian. Now it's your dare to ask them.
You don't hear the accent?
They are Russian for sure.
But I think it sounds American to me.
Should I go and ask? Huh?
You go?
I can ask.
Go for it.
Go for it. No. So let's have food first, then I'll go, guys. डरता थोड़ी है तुम्हारा भाई.
They have crab also. Ooh.
They are?
Crab.
What is crab? Dessert.
Yes, this one. Can you have it?
I don't eat sugar. I had enough sugar for the day.
I'm in the phase where I'm like, now I can have some sugar. Wow.
Have whatever you feel like having.
But just a little bit. It's crab.
Have it. You can have it entirely. You didn't have food. I had food today.
Later. Let's have a main meal first.
तो भाई यहाँ जब भी आता हूँ ना, मैं यहाँ मंगाता हूँ भाई. पता है, मैश पोटैटो, साइड्स में एवोकाडो और एक सैंडविच आता है, करेबियन सैंडविच. उसमें भाई साहब पता नहीं कुछ कुछ मिला देते हैं, पनीर पुनीर पता नहीं बहुत सारी चीज़ें. Taste, yeah, just like my name. So guys, you remember right? We were fighting about what is bread, what is loaf. So tell them.
I mean, well, this is still
Yeah.
more bread here.
What is bread, Chok?
These are still breads. This is a brioche. It's a French kind of bread. I think it's also a loaf. Let me not guess it wrong, but it should be. But this is the bread I'm talking about. These are like breads we eat in Germany. So this is the most common. Like we eat this for breakfast, we eat this for dinner. This is German.
Same bread, ditto same bread.
It's also a region of Belgium, huh?
Ditto same bread.
Similar to this.
Okay.
I mean, this is a French bread, but it is almost the closest I could like describe it right now to my bread.
So yeah, guys, this is the difference between loaf and a bread. Loaf होता है भाई. Show them the loaf.
I mean, this I think is loaf from what I remember, but they don't call it loaf.
Bread गोल होती है, मतलब bread is oval, right? Bread is oval. जो loaf होता है वो squarish form में होता है. ठीक है भाइयों? Okay. Now we'll have amazing food. Then we'll have amazing dessert.
But I thought you don't want sugar.
You want amazing dessert. I'll take a bite. I'll take a bite from yours. So guys, we just said hi to our neighbors, and we had a bet, right? We have to guess the country. So I lost the bet.
You lost the bet.
So they are from Brazil, guys.
I've never been. I want to go.
You have never been to Brazil. Rio. So guys, yeah. You wanna see the carnival?
Rio de Janeiro, Carnival, they have this Carnival Fest. It's like really not flowerful, colorful and flashy. And you have never seen that. They wear these like gray Brazilian costumes.
Let's ask the native Brazilians about the carnival, right? How's the carnival in Brazil?
You can ask.
You should ask.
Where should I ask?
You should ask. Why are you shy?
Because I want people to have their piece also.
They already had their food, I guess. So?
If you want, you go. I can show you the picture. Like these costumes.
Oh. भाई ब्राजील में कार्निवल में जाना है मुझे यार, सही बता रहा हूँ.
See, they have these like cars
भाई crazy crazy crazy. Yeah.
and shows, and then they dance on like this. So that's the carnival in Brazil.
भाई मैं खा रहा हूँ मैश पोटैटोज, ये खा रही है ये. You are waiting for my food, huh? So cute.
So hungry, and it looks so good. I'm so hungry and it looks so good, but I'm just I have etiquette, so unfortunately I have to wait.
So yeah guys, my food is coming. I ordered a avocado and spinach wrap. वो आ रहा है, आलू हो जाएगा और ये हो जाएगा.
बहुत अच्छा.
So now we are playing a competition in which like let's see who will blink the eye first.
And I think I will.
Huh?
But I will for sure.
3, 2, 1, start.
Ah! Oh no! I
Oh.
won. But it was great.
Okay. You would have closed your eyes in 2 seconds, right?
Yeah. Did you extra lose? Yeah, for sure.
भाई आ गया भाई, ये डेजर्ट आया भाई, इसको क्या कहते हैं? क्रेप. What's the name of the dessert?
Crepe. It's a French dessert.
भाई ये मैदा से बनता है भाई. पेल दे क्या? जब मैं पैसे देता हूँ सब पेल देता हूँ, जब मैं पैसे नहीं देता थोड़ा कम पेलता हूँ. अब सब पेलेंगे. You wanna kill me? Guys, we had such amazing food. I'm telling you, how was it, Greta?
बहुत अच्छा. I'm
Huh?
so happy.
So happy.
Yeah, I
What
love
was the best part? The main course or the dessert?
the dessert. But it's always because I really rarely eat dessert. I have like my cheat days, so I was super excited to have it. But everything was good.
So yeah, guys, she's like,
And also, you know what was good? That I won the competition against you. So
yeah, guys, she was like they're from America. I was like, no, they're from Europe or
the
Russia.
other one also the eye blinking one. I won 2 times today.
Eye-blinking one?
Not blinking,
Yeah,
you
yeah,
blink
yeah, yeah,
first.
yeah, yeah.
Oh.
Guys, she is good at
The winner of
competing.
the day.
Winner of the day is Greta. So guys, our shirt was like a bet was who will win will sponsor the day in Thailand. Whenever we are going to Thailand, we'll go together someday. So we have to sponsor our day. So now I'll sponsor her day. Please.
Massage.
Kapun
I
kap, kapun
want
kap.
the massage.
You want the massage?
They're really good. But you will have one too. Thai massage. When they step on you and stuff.
Huh.
Ah.
Otherwise, I never had a massage in my life. I never had a massage in my entire life.
I'll-
Nobody gave me a massage.
You have to pay for it, but I will bring you there. Hmm?
Ah.
Yes.
Like I've heard, like in Thailand, massage are really like relaxing. Really.
They're famous for Thai massage, so we're
Ah.
gonna do that.
But there's one more thing. Like I've heard, like in Thailand, when you go, you can't distinguish between a girl and a trans.
You can. You always have to look at the hands.
By hands, how can you tell?
Because you can't, like, it's really rare that, like, man hands are man hands, right?
Okay.
And woman hands are woman hands. It's like easy to see. Because look at your hand and my hand. So you always have a different.
See the color difference between our hands. I'm black in front of you.
No, but also the structure. You see, you have a male hand. I have a female hand. So this is the easiest part on where you can figure out.
So guys, if you're going to Thailand, look at their hand first, then their face.
And I will bring you to a ping pong show also.
No.
Have you seen it?
Yeah, I've seen the videos.
I've seen it in real life.
Like completely, they, है ना?
They were like shooting also darts from their specific part of the body. And then they were popping balloons with that.
पिंग पोंग में भाई उससे खेलते हैं, you know, अपने इंटीमेट पार्ट से भाई साहब क्रिकेट खेल लेंगे वो. They can play anything from that area, right?
Cricket also, yeah. Maybe.
Six मार रहे हैं, छक्का, चौका. So guys, Thailand is famous for this, but the thing is, Thailand is really nice. I wanna go to Bali, which is nicer. I've never been to Thailand, but like, which is good, like Bali or Thailand. If you had to pick between both of them, for content,
Both for their own reasons.
what do you like more?
I like both. I mean, I speak a bit of Thai. That's why I prefer, like, I went to high school there, so I have a bigger connection to Thailand. But Bali is really fun with friends. You can rent nice villas. You can spend good time there. And the vibe is also nice. So it's like more of a village vibe. And in Thailand, you also have cities or bigger places. It depends on where you want to go.
Wherever you're going, I'll go. Okay, let me know before you leave.
I will just let you know and you just come with me. Huh?
Okay guys, bye. This was it for this vlog. Hope to see you in the next one. सब कुछ खरीद देंगे और आने वाले टाइम में. बस ग्रेटा का साथ चाहिए. ग्रेटा साथ रही. व्यूज आते रहेंगे. मुझे पता ही है तुम छोरी हो के उसमें व्यूज देते हो. सब खरीद देंगे. कमेलियाज में ग्रेटा को दिला दूंगा, एक खुद ले लूंगा. ठीक है. Greta, I'm telling them, my eventual goal in my life is to buy a flat there and get you one flat.
Yes. For me first and then for yourself. You can come visit.
Huh?
You can come visit.
Okay guys, bye. Love you. See you in the next one. Take care. Say bye them again. Like,
Tata.
Tata guys, tata.